Hello, my name is Andrew and I love to make monsters. As much as I enjoy making monsters from scratch, sometimes it's nice to have a bit of a jump start on things. So in today's video, I'm going to build this 1985 Bandai model kit of King Ghidorah and a tiny Rodan. This model kit is kind of goofy looking, but it is pretty special to me. This particular kit was bought at a local convention a few years ago, but that isn't what makes it special. It's because I had the same kit when I was growing up in the 80s. Nowadays, it's fairly easy to go into a store and buy something Godzilla related. And if you live in the middle of nowhere like I do, you can go online and order about anything you can think of related to the King of Monsters and his friends. But in the 80s, that was a completely different story. If you were into Japanese kaiju and saw something at the local store, I believe I bought this at Hobbytown in Lincoln, you buy it because you might not see anything else for a long time. As you can see, this kit has two sprues of parts. The first sprue I just popped off all the pieces, but the second one I was more careful because I had to match up the halves of heads and the necks. You can see here that I broke one of the horn antenna thingies, but I didn't realize it until I was completely done with the model. Good thing I never lost it. The kit came with a small decal sheet for the eyes, and thankfully after 40 years they are still sticky. Once the head is snapped together, I clean up some of the extra flashing with a craft knife and a file. Now to insert the neck and heads into the body. I used the Google Translate app to translate the Japanese instructions to English. Well, that certainly wasn't an option in the 80s. Not necessary to do with this kit, but still fun to do. For the most part, this is a snap-together kit, but it does include a couple of screws to secure the body together. The first screw is for the front half of the body and is easily screwed in place with the snap-together screwdriver that's included with this kit. The kit even includes a little pullback motor that should propel our little kaiju forward. When I was cleaning up the flashing from the pieces, I think I accidentally trimmed off part of the wing. Whoops! Just to make sure the wings stay in place while I assemble the back of the body, I used a little bit of super glue. Now to clean up Rodan and snap him together. It even comes with a lightning bolt that plugs into Rodan so it looks like King Ghidorah is zapping him. I almost wish it was attached to the back so it closer mimicked the box art. Something I didn't do the first time I had this kit is add any paint details. I gave the lightning bolt a few coats of glow-in-the-dark, mainly because I wanted it to look cool when I shined a black light on it, and Rodan was painted a deep burgundy. Since King Ghidorah is already gold, I thought I would give him a black wash to bring out some of those details. The first wash I made was too watery, so I removed some of the water, added more paint, and I was good to go. After that was done and dry, I dry brushed some gold over them to give them an extra sparkle. Along with using that same gold paint to add some details to Rodan. It was at this point I realized I had broken that center horn thingy. Thankfully, this was an easy fix with some more super glue. Now to add a few more paint details, then we can take a look at the finished model kit. This kit was a lot of fun to make again, and if you want to see me make more monster models, please let me know in the comments below. Recently I launched a Patreon and I want to give a special shout out to my patrons, Kirsten, Heather, Jacob, Jeff, Delaney, and Brandy. My dream is to do art and YouTube full time, and your generosity has definitely helped me get closer to that. If you want to support the channel and see some behind the scenes photos, consider joining my Patreon, or you can check out my online store. Links to both of these are in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and remember, never stop creating. Bye!